Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we dig into the nitty-gritty of corporate filings. This time we're looking at a company that's just starting its public journey. Get ready because we are going to decode a lot of units here. Today we're dissecting Blue Water Acquisition Corp 3's Form 8K. Think of this as their hello world moment in the stock market, fresh off their initial public offering or IPO. It's their way of saying, hey, we're here and here's what happened. Before we dive in, if you like getting straight insights from corporate documents, make sure you're subscribed and join the Discord community linked in the description below for more discussions and insights. This report is dated June 11, 2025, marking the day of an important event for Blue Water Acquisition Corp 3. Now let's jump into the filing itself. The first thing we see is that this is a Form 8K filing. This is a current report companies file with the Securities and Exchange Commission to announce major events. Next up, the company name, Blue Water Acquisition Corp 3. They are structured out of the Cayman Islands. It looks like Blue Water's units, ordinary shares, and warrants are trading on the Nasdaq. So if you are interested in purchasing it, make note of that. Alright, let's get to the meat of the filing under other events. This is where they describe what happened. Here's the big news. Blue Water Acquisition Corp 3 just completed its initial public offering or IPO. You can think IPOs as the first launch of stocks to be available for regular people like you and me. They offered 25,300,000 units. Each unit consists of one Class A ordinary share and one half of one redeemable warrant. Think of warrants as options giving the holder the right to purchase the stock at a specific price. Each warrant allows the holder to buy a Class A ordinary share for $11.50 per share. Selling these units at 10 euros each generated gross proceeds of $253,000. Now, that's no small chunk of change. Simultaneously with the IPO, Blue Water did something called a private placement. This means they sold 688,000 units directly to the sponsor and Beckage LLC. Each private unit has the same structure as those that were parts of the IPO, where each containing one Class A share and one half of one redeemable warrant, which entitles the holder to purchase one Class A ordinary share for 11.15 per share. The sponsor grabbed 430,000 units and Beechig picked up 253,000 private units. This private sale brought in a total of $6,830,000. As of June 11, 2025, a total of $253,000 from the IPO and the private placement was securely stashed in a trust account for the benefit of the company's public shareholders. This amount includes $8,855,000 in deferred underwriting commissions, which are essentially fees paid to the underwriters later on. They've also included an audited balance sheet as part of the filing, reflecting the receipt of these proceeds. Now let's move on to what this all means. Blue Water Acquisition Corp 3 is basically a blank check company, otherwise known as a SPAC, Special Purpose Acquisition Company. They don't have any specific business operations yet. Their entire purpose is to raise money through an IPO and then merge with or acquire another private company, effectively taking that company public. Think of it like a shortcut to the stock market for private businesses. These blank check offerings became very popular during the easy money era, but their popularity has decreased since. This is an older report, so it might be interesting to see how their target has been doing. What are my thoughts on this? The IPO numbers themselves don't tell us much about the long-term viability of Blue Water Acquisition Corp 3. It's all about what company they decide to acquire. If they choose a promising target in a hot sector, it could be a good investment. If they pick poorly, investors could lose out. Alright, that's our breakdown of Blue Water Acquisition Corp 3's Form 8K filing. What are your thoughts on SPACs and investment choices? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.